My name is John Panzica. I'm a Senior Transfer Solution Specialist with College Source. The assembly is the evolution of what was formerly AACRAO Tech and Transfer, and the goal for it is to be more practitioner focused, give people the tools that they need to do to go out and solve the issues that they're facing in their offices every day, rather than just have people talk at them. We want people to not just attend, but we want them to come and engage, bring the issues that they're facing, learn some of the applications that can help, some of the different tools that they might be able to take back and actually address those issues. They're coming as a practitioner, and we want to give them solid tools to help them after they leave. So the project-based learning groups are going to be focused on just that, a particular project. So if you have something that is of particular interest at your institution, whether that's facilitated transfer evaluation, whether that's credit for prior learning, whether that's upgrading technology for degree audit, or for any of the other elements that you might be facing, you're going to come to this assembly and learn about that particular project. So you'll have some focused learning. The project-based is so that you can come in and again focus on a particular area. We're looking forward to having you join us at the assembly. We are hopeful that as many people as can join us. We're also always looking for presenters and facilitators, so if you want to volunteer, let us know that as well. Thanks.